there's one question I've still got to ask, and that is because, say, 250 people here are going to be listening live, and these are all potential candidates, maybe one day for Atlassian. So this is a good pitch opportunity. And the point is whether you broadened your net, whether you're willing to sort of let people work remotely, or you're looking at people slightly differently, you still have to have a winning pitch today that wins over the developer. How do you do that? I mean, if we were to play roles here, what does that look like today?
Yeah. Well, I appreciate that opportunity. I think so. I'll tell you why I joined Atlassian and why working for a company like Atlassian means so much to me is you get to deliver code to your customers. You get to use your skills to change the lives of your customers, to help them innovate. The tools and the software that we're delivering are powering things like the planning of launches into space. And if that doesn't inspire you, I'm not sure what will, right? Is folks at NASA, folks at JPL, they're using our tools to plan how they're going to launch spaceships. That's what we get to do. That's the impact that we have on the world. And but going back to something a bit more tactical for everybody that's listening in, it's your brand. It's the impact that you're going to have on the world. It's how you're going to change your customers' lives. That's what inspires people, and that's why I think people want to work with Atlassian. Come work for Atlassian.
Well, I must say you've definitely persuaded me on that first part. I'm looking to.
Oh, good.
I'm quitting my job. We'll have a follow-up call after this, if that's okay. Fantastic. So maybe just to summarize, I mean, if you have any other thoughts that you think is worth sharing.
I think brand matters. Brand awareness matters a lot. Crafting that story about why you are doing what you are doing, that's incredibly important. And if you haven't read, and no conversation, no engineering conversation, I'm going to do my cliche thing and reference Daniel Pink, right? Engineers look for purpose. If you're not able to communicate the purpose of your organization, you are not going to be able to get through to the really amazing problem solvers that are looking to master their skills. You're not going to give them something to drive towards, something to achieve. So I would say hone that. That would be my main point to drive home.